welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Government opens up draft policy on illegal religious structures for public suggestions. 139 structures to be demolished, 75 structures to be reconstructed. Government of Goa to come out with an act to crack down on unaffiliated college campuses within 2 months. Department of Higher Education working on the act. Around 15 campuses might be deemed illegal. Srinivas Dempo declares Shah Rukh Khan's interest in buying a stake in Dempo Sports Club. Deal to be worked out inside a month. Dempo will retain majority ownership, says Srinivas. Shankar Mohan tipped off to be the new CEO of the ESG. Sources say move already on. Mohan resigns from his post with the central government. Chogole Higher Secondary not to close down for this academic year. College starts online admissions from midnight for Standard 11. Decision after a meeting with CM. And monsoon to reach Goa by 10th June. Met Department advises general public and fishermen not to venture into the sea. Department forecast normal rain this year. Now the news in detail. Goa has 609 illegal religious structures along the roadside, out of which 139 will be demolished, 395 will not be touched, 75 structures will have to be demolished and reconstructed at a different place. On Friday, Goa government opened the draft policy on illegal religious structures for public views. Supreme Court has ordered demolition of all illegal religious structures for smooth vehicular traffic.
Supreme Court had ordered all the states to demolish all illegal religious structures along the roadside, but only few states could abide by the court directives. Government then, in coordination with the district collectors, listed out all the illegal structures. As per the survey, Goa had in total 609 illegal religious structures. Illegal structures 609, North Goa 372, South Goa 237, structures along roadside 395, not roadside structures 214, demolition of structures 139, shifting of structures 75, regularization of structures 95, non-regularization of structures 300. As per the earlier survey, structures within the Comunidad land were also included. At that time, the total number of illegal structures came up to 979. Now, government has excluded those structures within the purview of Comunidad land and the total has declined to 370. Goa government on Friday made the draft policy on illegal religious structures open for public views. Government has sent a copy of the draft policy to the district collectorate, mamladars, municipalities, panchayats, temples, churches and masjids. People can send their suggestions by 30th June to the Under Secretary Revenue, Secretariat, Porvorim, Goa. Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
The Government of Goa is formulating an act to stop all the unaffiliated campuses of colleges functioning in Goa which offer various courses. The act will come into force within the next 2 months. Around 15 unaffiliated campuses running in Goa with some famous brands in the field of education will get affected.
The work on formulating a strong act to crack down on unaffiliated college campuses all around Goa has already begun. Director of Higher Education informed that there are around 15 defaulters. According to the Director of Higher Education, most of the campuses are the ones offering hotel management courses.
Normally, खंयचोय institution जर campus teaching करता, कळ्ळें मरे तुका? Campus teaching. If any institution is doing a campus teaching, they have to compulsorily get themselves affiliated to Goa University. They can't, distance learning university cannot have its campus in Goa.
Director says all the defaulter campuses and colleges will be taken to task no matter how many students they are offering courses to.
Government is going to come out with an action plan on these types of the institution. The law will be in place. Intensity is not important. एक भुरगो आणि 200 भुरगे will be the same for us. कायदो हो कायदो. तो एक भुरगो आशिल्ल्या इंस्टिट्यूशनाक लागतलो आणि तो 200 भुरगीं तयार करता त्या इंस्टिट्यूशनाक लागतलो.
Director has said that the act will protect all the students affected due to closing of such illegal campuses.
You can expect it in next 2 months by July. Yes. Yes, already started. खंयचोय एक्ट केन्ना येता तेन्ना भुरग्यांक त्रासां उडयनात. सो वॉट एवर एक्ट जेन्ना करतले तेन्ना भुरग्यांची हित लक्षांत घेवन तो एक्ट करतले. I have understood your point. Somebody has taken 1 year course and to second year आसा 2 वर्सांचो कोर्स किंवा 3 वर्सांचो कोर्स फर्स्ट इयर कंप्लीट जाला सेकंड एंड थर्ड इयर तांणी कितें करचें असो जो प्रोसिजर आसा जाल्यार तो विशय लक्षांत घेतले कायदो करतात. एक 15-14-15 म्हणजे म्हायती प्रमाणे चडांत चड ती दे आर इन द एरिया ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट एंड कॅटरिंग टेक्नॉलॉजी.
A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Dempo Group Chairman Srinivas Dempo has declared that Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan is interested in buying a stake in Dempo Sports Club and the talks over a deal are in advanced state. Srinivas, however, dismissed reports that Dempo will sell a 50% stake to Shah Rukh, who owns IPL champions Kolkata Knight Riders. Srinivas says that the deal will be worked out over the next 1 month. Dempo stressed that he will retain the majority ownership of the club.
The 5-time I-League champions Dempo Sports Club are the most successful football club in India. However, as he has said over and over again, sustainability of the club has become a major headache for Srinivas Dempo due to soaring costs of maintaining the club. In such circumstances, selling a stake to a globally famous personality like Shah Rukh Khan will have a lot of advantages. The talks are progressing well, says Dempo, and he is positive over a deal.
The only thing I can say at this stage is that we are in discussion mode. Talks are progressing well. One thing is that Mr. Shah Rukh Khan is very, very passionate about football. So I think we have to iron out a few issues probably, and you know, with his busy schedule of managing KKR and managing his film activity, we had a challenge in terms of timing, though we wanted to settle it before June. Hopefully the next 1 month is going to be crucial and we should be able to iron out all the issues. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. But yes, we are in discussions. Yeah.
And what are the stakes that you are ready to?
I haven't. We haven't reached that. We are discussing about various stake options. The only thing I can say at this stage is that Dempos are going to remain majority, and But Shah Rukh, if he comes, will be an influential stakeholder. I think he can get tremendous value to the game of football, leave alone Dempos. Because one is his whole ability to raise the fan support, I think is tremendous, and secondly his ability to raise resources. I think these are two things which football is lacking at the moment in India. So from both perspective, I think it will be a great addition.
How this came about? I mean, how did Shah Rukh Khan come in picture with Dempo Sports?
We had some common friends, and we had met socially a couple of times through these common friends. And whenever he had met me, the only thing which struck to him was football. He said Dempo means football, and then it slowly translated down to saying that Mr. Khan may be interested in investing in your club, and I said I would welcome it with open arms. And then we got into some serious mode discussions over the last couple of months. So that's where we are today.
The reports also claim cricketer and other corporates. And they were also in the arena. So, is there any chance that the cricketer would come in?
We did have discussions in the past. Even before Mr. Shah Rukh Khan expressed interest, there was one cricketer. There were a couple of corporate houses, but we couldn't reach any settlement, and that's why it broke down. But right now, once we have one investor, I don't think we have a case for another investor so soon, unless we go for massive, fundraising kind of an avenue. We would be happy with one investor and see how we could add value with each other.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Tulsidas Chari from Panji.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.